Father and son put a large ichthyosaur into the sea. Then the father dragged the ichthyosaur to find a good position. After placing the ichthyosaur, and this ichthyosaur caught seafood. It will absolutely shock you. And then he did something very surprising. I saw him get rich and go to a sea urchin sniper, fishing the sea urchins into the net pocket one by one. I didn't stop until I stuffed my net pocket full. Then come to the boat and sift the net pockets vigorously. Sift out the burrs on the urchin. I thought they were going to cook a seafood feast. I didn't expect them to chop up the sea urchin directly. They put it in a bottle. Then to the bottom of the sea, sprinkle the sea urchin meat into the cage. Turns out they were using sea urchins as bait. Quite extravagant. So, how many fish can this cage catch? The next day, father and son arrived early in the morning. Father, bring your diving gear. And I jumped in. Find the fish Dragon King and take a look. It's densely packed with fish. Too bad these are small fish. Worthless. Just when I feel bad for them. The camera turns to the other side. Here lie several fish. There are not only holly classes, but also outdoor. It's all valuable goods. This made his father very happy. Hurry up and drag the fish cage up. Look at this aroma, it is so beautiful. Reminds me of burning oil in a pot. After the ichthyosaur comes out of the water, together, father and son drag the ichthyosaur aboard. Then the father poured a cage of fish into the bucket. Filled a bucket. Today is another day full of harvest.